Through our innovative conveyor and automation solutions, we significantly improve our clients' manufacturing processes. And our solutions are designed to achieve an outstanding ROI. Having successfully delivered projects since 1983, we understand the challenges of improving manufacturing efficiency across a diverse range of industries, from fully customised and automated turnkey projects to integrated or standalone conveyor systems for any product imaginable. We also offer a full range of pallet handling solutions. Manufacturing is rapidly changing and automated production processes are vital. So we offer cutting-edge automation technologies including robotics, the Internet of Things, machine connectivity, online diagnostics and smart software. We also offer fully customised materials handling solutions and bespoke one-off machinery to suit specific clients or products. At Australis, we can adapt to your needs and develop innovative, well-engineered solutions that just work for any industry or application. That's the Australis difference.
At Australis Engineering, we solve your manufacturing problems, not simply sell equipment. With local manufacturing, we offer better lead times and ongoing local support. We service clients across Australia and the world. We have a strong engineering design ethos, and coupled with our highly skilled and experienced engineering and trades teams, we solve complex problems with customised conveyor and automation solutions that provide an exceptional return on investment. Our clients know that no matter how challenging the project, we're committed to the solutions we deliver, with ongoing local support to ensure our systems remain optimised over its lifetime. That's what makes Australis different, our commitment to offering well-engineered, innovative conveyor and automation solutions, not simply selling you a machine.
If you need innovative manufacturing solutions with outstanding ROI, Australis Engineering is the answer.